Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring your device and messenger are current. This avoids missing features. Open a chat now and tap the emoji/sticker icon to reveal Memoji options. If you already created a Memoji in iOS, it will appear. On Android, create a personalized avatar first. Once you see the Memoji panel, make sure your face is roughly centered if using live recording. This early setup speeds the process and prevents permission prompts mid-recording. You now pick or build the Memoji you'll send. Tap New Memoji to customize skin tone, hair, eyes, and accessories. Use sliders for fine adjustments so the avatar matches your expression. Once satisfied, select live stickers to test facial tracking or press record for an animated clip. This captures voice and movement. Make sure lighting is even. Poor light reduces tracking accuracy. After recording, preview it to confirm timing and expression before sending to the chat. Finally, send the Memoji by tapping the send button. It appears as a sticker or short video in the conversation. If your face tracking stutters, stop, re-enable camera and microphone permissions and try again. Sometimes toggling permissions fixes it. If the Memoji panel is missing, close Messenger and reopen or restart the device. That clears temporary glitches. One key tip: update the app if problems persist, because version mismatches often cause missing features or tracking errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.